Am I driving somebody else's car? I can't tell because this is not the same car.
Maybe we can
For this job is 14mm socket, 14mm wrench, and that's about it. And of course you're going to need a small bottle jack like this. Just to raise up the transmission, which is up here. Or actually raise up the engine block. Okay, make sure it's got an extension like this like I do. And then you're going to need some wood that goes on top of this to close the gap here, protect your oil pan, okay? And the mounting screws for this mount are up here. There's two here, you see them? 14 and a 14. And on the other side, it's going to be the same. Oops. 14 and 14. And at the very bottom, you're going to see here, 4 of them. 14mm each, okay? And that's all that's needed to pull that out, all right? Okay, if you guys look closely, you see that? That's not supposed to be separated. It's not supposed to move at all. This rubber here is supposed to be connected and this is supposed to be connected. But it's moving up. That's a bad mount. My mistake, the bottom bolts on the mount are 12mm bolts, okay? 12mm at the bottom. Okay, now we're going to jack up the transmission away from the mount. And there you go. Here's the mount. See it? And there's the issue. It's completely separated right there. Okay, this is the release mechanism right here. So once that separates here, it's going to smack. Am I driving somebody else's car? I can't tell because this is not the same car. Anyway, I wish they made this thing called feel-o-vision and smell-o-vision. You can smell what the other person's doing or you can feel what the other person's doing. Anyway, just yesterday this car was making loud noises. It sounded like the rear axle was about to come off, and it literally clang, 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 bang, boom. Every sound in the alphabet it was making it. And so now it's perfectly quiet. Rides like a new car, and it's totally noise-free. And it even has a little more power too, I think, because the angle of the drive shaft affects the torque a little bit, so you know it's got a little bit more power. But it's great. It rides great. So I know that was a little short video, but you guys get the picture. You know, there's not a lot of people that know how to remove the transmission mount out of a Fortuner or a Hilux, believe it or not. So that's why I make these kinds of videos. I know they seem corny. I know they seem like, oh, everybody's done it, but not everybody has done it. Not everybody gets it. And what is it called? Not everybody has done it on this particular vehicle either, or there wouldn't be a lot of people watching my videos, right? So anyway, there'll be more to come, and then I want to tell everybody, or like to thank everybody for watching the video and enjoying it. And you know, if you be so kind as to show it to your friends if you think they would enjoy the video. So you know, and we'll do more videos like this in the future. So I want to thank you guys for watching the show, and see you in the next video. BBG out.
BBG cars.